Okay. So for this week, we did our interactive presentation on magnetic fluid. So this is my explanation on what kind of occurs in my evaluation of it, along with the videos I'm going to show. So the fluid that is formed, so realistically the materials needed was the ink toner, which is like kind of like a powder substance, and then vegetable oil and earth magnet specifically, because I guess they have to be strong. Um, so the fluid that is formed from the ink and the vegetable oils is like the Ferrero fluid. So a fluid, the definition or what it is a fluid that becomes highly magnetized in the presence of a magnetic field. The fluid contains nanoparticles of a ferromagnetic material, which usually is iron oxide. The fluid consists of iron, nickel, and cobalt-based metals, and occasionally rare earth metals. Um, Ferromagnetism is caused by a long range atomic scale ordering that causes unpaired electrons to align with each other in a domain. Okay, so surface tension. Um, the spikes or peaks that are formed by the fluid are due to the balance of magnetic forces pulling the nanoparticles to the magnet. So in the video that I'll show you, or in the video that we saw, that was linked in the description, the when you make the fluid and you put the magnet to it, it forms spikes. Unfortunately, you see in my video that it wasn't able to form like as big of spikes as it did in the video that we were showed. So yeah, I'll kind of go into that in a bit. The surface tension is pulling fluid into a droplet, which you'll see in the video as well. It kind of makes a little circle around the magnet. The fluid the fluid's response and the change in the magnetic field is to be able to reorient itself from the magnet movements. Okay. So I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Go to the first video. One second. Oh, okay. Share the screen.
All right.
This is the first video.
Got my vegetable oil. Got the toner. It's in this jar now. Go ahead and pour the vegetable oil in here. Also got my earth magnet as well.
So that is the video of me showing all the materials. Um, I will now go into some of the creation of the liquid I made. I should do it like this. So at this point, I had already poured the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the ink toner, and I started until it made a liquid or thin liquid. So this is me going and pouring that onto the magnet that is underneath, and
No,
you can kind of see the spike
this is where it's at,
trying to form in the
but
video,
it's not.
but it didn't create the spikes that I would have liked.
I just poured my vegetable oil into the toner. Now I'm going to begin stirring. until the liquid becomes thin.
This is me starting the vegetable oil with the ink. It's pretty much a video of me starting it. Now I'm gonna go to the next one. Let's go to this one. Close this one. This is the video. I'm sorry. This is the video of me after I had already started to pour vegetable oil and I pour it onto the magnet. And unfortunately, it doesn't create the spikes that I was trying to obtain. You can see kind of a little bit of
This is
like
where it's at.
where it's breaking through the surface, but it's not where how it was in the video that we saw. Lastly, this is me trying another attempt on like a
Okay, I
thin,
just put
like kind of
the
plate.
oil
Hopefully we're
and
trying to
ink
do
toner on
it.
there with the magnet underneath. This is what it looks like.
You can still in this
It's fine.
video, you can kind of see the little bubbles where is this kind of the spikes trying to pop through, but
See the spikes
fortunately
trying to
it
peek
doesn't look the
through,
same. But
but it's not
in the
as
video, you can see the little droplets around as well, though.
vivid as in the video that
And it
we
did stick
saw.
to the magnet, so that was a plus. But yeah, that is my video explanation on the magnetic fluid, aka the Ferrero liquid or fluid. But yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.